Hi everyone, in this short video we're going to have some fun with right angled triangles. We start this drawing with a small circle. Now draw a horizontal line through the center of the circle. As in the previous video, this gives you 2 points to start constructing the perpendicular line using your compass. Now draw the perpendicular line. This gives you the other 2 points you'll need to start constructing the first right angled triangle. Use the compass to set out the corners of your first triangle. When you draw the first 45-degree angled line of the right angled triangle, make sure to project it out, because you'll need it to construct the rest of the drawing. For this video to be as clear as possible, I'll ink in all the right angled triangles as we go along. To continue drawing, set the radius of your compass to be equal to the side of the first right angled triangle. Now we need to draw a perpendicular line to the 45-degree angled line. We do this using the same method as before, by striking arcs from the intersecting points of the newly created circle with the 45-degree angled line. Draw in the first line of the next right angled triangle. Draw a pencil line from the corner of the first triangle. Make sure to project it out like before. Using a pen we can finish the next triangle. Draw a circle with the same radius as before and repeat the whole process another 7 times. So that's the basic drawing finished. You might be wondering what's so special about this drawing. Well, if we assume the 2 right sides of the first right angled triangle are 1, then we get the following proportions. Wow, that's a really amazing result. But then again, I have a thing for shells, as you know. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will try to answer it as best as I can. Again, thanks for watching and I will see you soon.